Good evening. My name is Achampem Jessica Omiswa, index number 53210-3009 from Procurement and Supply Chain class level 400. Today, I'll be presenting on supply chain disruption as a key external environmental issue in logistics industry with a focus on DHL Ghana. This presentation will explain the causes, impacts, and how DHL strategically responds to these disruptions. In today's business environment, companies must constantly monitor external factors to remain competitive. One major challenge affecting businesses globally in supply chain is supply chain disruption. This presentation focuses on understanding this issue and its impact on the logistics industry. Supply chain disruption refers to unexpected events that interrupt the normal flow of goods and services or information. For example, delays in shipping or factory shutdown can disrupt the entire supply chain, affecting businesses and customers. There are causes of these supply chain disruptions. Some major causes of supply chain disruptions include the COVID-19 pandemic, which led to global lockdowns and reduced production. Another key factor is the geopolitical conflict, such as the Russia-Ukraine war, which has affected trade routes and energy supplies. Recent trends shows increasing transportation costs, congestions at major ports, shortages of shipping containers, and delay in delivery schedules. These trends highlight how uncertain and complex global trade has become. Supply chain disruption has its effects on the industry. This effect has been grouped into two, the long-term and the short-term effects. In the short-term effects, disruptions causes delays in delivery. It causes high cost of fuel and shortages of goods. And in the long term, the companies in the industry are forced to rethink their strategies by diversifying suppliers, diversifying suppliers to suppliers which are close to their industry or their company, and investing in digital technologies to reduce risk. One may ask, what is DHL Ghana? DHL is one of the world's leading logistics providers, operating in over 220 countries. The company offers services such as express deliveries, freight transportations, and supply chain management. DHL Ghana plays a key role in supporting trade, e-commerce, and industrial operations within the country. Supply chain disruptions has its impact on the industry itself. Supply chain disruption has increased competition among logistics companies. Businesses now face higher operation costs and must meet rising customer expectations, such as faster delivery, and real-time tracking. In response to these disruptions, an evidence of the DHL annual report shows how the company make strategic incentives, how the company manage risk, and their strategic response to the supply chain disruption. To respond to this disruption, DHL invests in infrastructure and advanced digital technologies. The company has also improved real-time tracking systems to provide better visibility and efficiency in its operation. In the risk management, DHL manages risk by diversifying transportation routes, strengthening relationship with suppliers, and using digital monitoring system. These strategies helps the company to detect and respond to disruptions early. In evaluating the strategy, DHL has strong competitive advantage, including global network, advanced technology, and operational efficiency. These strengths makes it difficult for competitors to match its performance, and it also makes it difficult for new businesses to enter the market. To improve further on DHL, DHL should continue investing in digital logistics, enhance risk management system, focus on sustainability, and strengthen partnership with suppliers and transport providers. In conclusion, supply chain disruption is a major global challenge. However, companies like DHL show that with the right strategies, businesses can remain resilient and competition even in uncertain environment. And in this presentation, I use the pestle analysis and Porter's 5 forces. The pestle analysis examines external factors affecting the logistics industry. Political factors include trade policies, economic factors involve fuel cost. Social factors include customer expectation. Technological factors focuses on innovations, legal factors involve regulations, and environmental factors include sustainability concerns. In the Porter's 5 forces, analysis shows that competition in the logistics industry is high. The threat of new entries is low due to high cost. Supplier power is moderate, buyer power is high, and the threat of substitutes is relatively low. Thank you.